I am going to do a quick recording on how to get a virtual queue. So it is 6:56 in the morning. I'm actually at Walt Disney World, but I have done this on the plane. So you want to do two things. First of all, previously to this, you want to have tested at Disney or wherever you're going to be, tested your internet speed to see which is faster, internet versus data. I did that last night. My data is faster. The next thing that you want to have is you want to have downloaded an atomic clock. So here's my atomic clock. I don't care about rating your app, but you do whatever. We may not be using atomic clock this morning. I didn't realize that we needed to update. So the reason for using an atomic clock is so you can see up here in the corner, from off of my device, I'm behind 815 milliseconds, which you think wouldn't matter, but it does. So I want to, now that is open, I'm going to come over here and open my Disney experience. All right, let me see if I can get, there should be a way. That's on it. So I shrunk it down into the corner of my screen there, which is what I was looking for. All right, so now we can go over here to the My Disney Experience, and I'm going to scroll down here. All right, right here, it says Join Virtual Queue. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. All right, I want, before it becomes time, I want to confirm my party. So it is going to be me and my friend that's with us. All right. And then you see down here at the very bottom of the screen, it says refresh at 7 a.m. to launch joining process. So this is going to kind of be a long video of us just sitting here waiting for 7 a.m. But those are the steps that I take beforehand. All right, so we're kind of on the countdown now, and you really want to hit that refresh button at 6:59:59. Based on your reflexes and the time that it's going to take for it to go through, that's why you want to go ahead and hit it that millisecond ahead of time. Also, Disney encourages you to only have one person in your party trying for a virtual queue. I have not found that to be best practice. So if you've got more than one person in your party who has access to everyone's stuff, or if you've got more than one device, you can have someone else log into your account. If you're the planner for everyone, just have someone else log into your account on a different device. That way your account is open on two different devices and you can go for it. And I hit refresh, join virtual queue, and I got group 3. So it just popped up there, and they will go very quickly. And so that's how you do it.